Students, this is class number 248. In this class, let us go for discussing methods of solving first order, first degree differential equations. In this chapter, you are going to learn three different methods. So to solve, you are going to learn three different methods which we use to solve the differential equations. So this chapter contains only three methods. If we complete solving differential equations by using three methods, this chapter will get over. So you people have to learn how to solve differential equations by using different methods. So only three methods are there in your syllabus. First method is solving by using variable separable method, or separation of variables. So or separation of variables. It is so easy method, students, dead easy method. From that name itself. So first what we people have to do is we should separate the variables. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ on one side of the equals and sending all y terms to another side of the equals. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ x ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ y ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get solution, right? So integration means solving. So integration means what? Solving. So whenever solution is required, you go for solving the differential equation. So on integrating the differential equation, we will get its solution curve or general solution. Solution curve is same as general solution. Here I am going to write method steps. Step 1. So separate in step 1. So bring. So separate dy and dx. In step 1, first you separate what? Dy and dx. Step 2, write this. So step 2. In step 2, bring all x terms on dx side. So bring all x terms on dx side and send all y terms on dy side. So bring all x terms on dx side and send all y terms on dy side. Step 3. So after doing this, after completing the second step, you go for integrating both sides. So integrate both sides. So integrate both sides for GS. So what is the GS is general solution. These are the steps. These are the three steps to be followed to get the general solution of this method. To find the solution of this method, right? What is this method called? Separation of variables. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರೇ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Now let's go for solving problems on this. First problem is, so right, first one is, so find the general solution of, find the general solution of the differential equation of the, so differential equation of the differential equation, so dy by dx is equal to x plus 1, so by, so 2 minus y, so y is not equal to 2, so y is not equal to 2, solution, so right. So you take the differential equation. So what is the order and degree of this differential equation, students? Order is 1, degree is also 1. Order, highest power of d power 1 is called order. So highest whole power of order is called degree. So right, you take the differential equation. So order and degree not asked, need not to write. Sumne ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You take the differential equation. So dy by dx equals x plus 1 by, so 2 minus y, x plus 1 by 2 minus y. So I told you, according to your first step, what I told you to do in that first step, separate dy and dx first. dy illé dx ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. So right, that implies, so dy equals x plus 1 by 2 minus y into dx. I separated dy and dx. dy ಮತ್ತು dx separate ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Next you bring all y terms on dy side. dy ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ y terms ಎಲ್ಲ ತನ್ನಿ, dx ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ x terms ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ, ವೈ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 minus y this side. ಸೊ 2 minus y into what? So dy, 2 minus y into dy is equal to x plus 1 into what? So dx. x plus 1 into dx. Variables are being separated. Variables ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಾವು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್, ಸೊ 2 minus y into dy, so is equal to integration of x plus 1 into dx. Integrate. So now you go for integrating. Right, your y integrate with respect to y, your everything in terms of x, integrate with respect to x, will it with respect to y ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ with respect to x ಮಾಡಿ, same concept ಅಲ್ವಾ. So integration of k is kx. How much is integration of k? Kx. We get integration of k as kx only when we are integrating with respect to x. With respect to x ಮಾಡುವಾಗ k ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, kx ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ky ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು z ಮಾಡುವಾಗ kz. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ. ರೈಟ್, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ, ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 to y? It is not 2x. Here we are doing with respect to what? Y. So 2y minus integration of y square by 2, x power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. How much is that? y square by 2. So is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 is x plus c. So writing plus c is a must. So writing plus c is a must. In differential equations. So otherwise you lose you lose 1 mark. In integration, even if that writing plus c is not done, even that plus c is not written, you may get full marks. Whereas in differential equations, you are adding plus c is a must. Plus c is general solution alva. This is the required GS. Is the required GS. I hope you understood, students. So this is the required GS, right? So okay. Let's go for solving one more question. So let us go for solving one more question. Is it GS or PS? GS. We have plus C. If plus C is present, then it is called general solution. If plus C is not present, it is a particular solution. General solution, particular solution, right? So next question, find the general solution of the differential equation. So next question. Find the general solution of the differential equation differential equation. So dy by dx equals 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. So as usual, you follow that same method. Which I given in that beginning, right? Beginning of the class. Solution. So you take this. So dy by dx equals 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. First you separate dy and dx. First you think of separating dy and dx. So dy equals 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square into dx. Right? Now separate. You bring y terms on dy side, keep x terms on dx side. We have dy on left side. You must bring y term this side. Y terms ikkade barbeku. So just cross multiplication enough. 1 plus y square cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ikkade barutte. Dx by this, right? So dy by 1 plus y square is equal to, so dx by 1 plus x square. So variables are being separated. Variables have been separated. So one thing which is left is integrating. So right, you think of integrating that. So integration of, so dy by 1 plus y square is equal to integration of dx by 1 plus x square. We have this standard formula. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is so tan inverse x. So integration of 1 by a square plus x square into dx is 1 by a, so tan inverse x by a. By head these basic formulas ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಬೈ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 1 plus y square? tan inverse y. So it is, so tan inverse y is equal to what? So tan inverse x plus c is the required general solution. Or so you can go for writing one more step. So tan inverse y minus so tan inverse x is equal to c. ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಟರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ find the particular solution. So right, find the particular solution of the differential equation. Find the particular solution of the differential equation So dy by dx equals minus 4x y square. So given that so y equals 1 when x equals 0. Given that y equals 1 when x is equal to 0. By using this y value and x value, you find out c. These values are given to find out c. So if you get c value, you will get what? Particular solution. First you find out as usual general solution only. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು PS ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ PS, not GS. Here it is PS. PS is being asked, right? So take the differential equation. So dy by dx is equal to minus 4x y square. Separate dy and dx. Separate dy and dx. dy equals minus 4x y square into dx. So dx and dy have been separated. dx ಮತ್ತು dy separate ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ dy ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ y ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ dx ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, dy, so cross multiply. So dy by y square. So dy by y square is equal to minus 4x into dx. So dy by y square is equal to minus 4x into dx. So separation of variables is over. Variables ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ dy by y square minus 4 into integration of x dx. So you all know this very well. How much is integration of 1 by x square? Minus 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x is minus 1 by x. Use that. So right, integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. So minus 4 into integration of x is x square by 2. X square by 2 plus c. What is that plus c? Is integration constant. Because of the presence of that plus c, this solution is called as general solution. Plus c ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now let's go for finding C value. Use that. Put y equals 1. So y equals 1, x equals 0. Substitute in that. So minus, so 1 by 1 equals minus 4 into x 0. 0 into anything is 0. So right, x is 0. 0 into anything is 0 plus c. So this implies c is equal to minus 1. So go for dividing. 2 2s are. So tell me students, minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by y is equal to minus 2x square. Minus c is minus 1. We got the solution. Multiply by minus. Neatagi ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, neatagi arrange ಮಾಡಿ. So right, multiply both sides by minus. So multiply by minus. So we get 1 by y equals 2x square plus 1. So reciprocally, actually finding solution means finding y value only. We got the answer. Over R. So reciprocally both sides. Y equals 1 by 2x square plus 1. Is it the PS or GS? It is PS, particular solution. Is that correct? Anything wrong in this? Have I made mistake? No. So I put minus 1 by y, y1, x 0 and everything 0 plus c. So right, c is minus 1. So right, c is minus 1. Right, is the required. So is the required. Is the required PS. PS means particular solution. Let us go for solving one more question. Right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಈಸಿನೇ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ So find the particular solution. Sorry, find the wait. Find the general solution. Find GS of the following. So GS of the following. So first question is, so dy by dx equals 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, right? Now as usual, GS has been asked. GS general solution is being asked. Go for that solution. So dy by dx equals 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Separate dy and dx. So dy equals 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So dy and dx are being separated. Separation of variables is over. Now you think of integrating that. So integrate that. Integration of 1 into dy or simply dy. 1 into dy or simply dy is equal to integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. For this you use half angle formulas. So look at this. Whenever 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta are seen, you always think of using half angle formulas. 1 minus cos theta. So what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. By heart madi. So 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. Substitute in that. So integration of 1 with respect to y. So dy integration of what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. X by 2. Here we have x. X means use x only. 1 plus cos x. So 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So 2 get cancels. So right, integration of, so 1 with respect to y. So right, integration of, or ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ integration of 1 with respect to y, dy is y. 1 ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ with respect to y ಏನು y, ಅಥವಾ so integration symbol, differentiation symbol get cancels, we will get what y. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ y ಬರೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು y. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು, ಸೊ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ integration of sin square by cos square. So tan square x by 2. So into dx. I told you students, what is tan square theta? Secant square theta minus 1. So cot square theta, it is cosecant square theta. So minus 1. Integration ಅಲ್ಲಿ tan square theta ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರುವೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, cot square ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರುವೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So right, y equals, so right, what is tan square theta? Secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. So what is secant square theta minus 1? Tan square theta. Now you integration of secant square is tan. So y equals, integration of secant square is, so tan x by 2. So whole divided by 1 by 2 minus whole divided by 1 by 2. So right students, I write here. So right. So y equals, so integration of secant square is, so tan x by 2. So whole divided by 1 by 2. 1 is x plus c. So which is this 1 by 2? X coefficient. While integrating, dividing x coefficient is must. Y equals, reverse it. So 2 tan x by 2. So minus x plus c is required GS. I hope you understood students. Let us stop this class. Okay, thank you.